the topic we are going to see is layout of CRD, RBD and LSD. See, first we want to know what is layout. Layout means the way in which treatment is assigned to the experimental units. Okay, that is layout. Okay, so that is how we are assigning a treatment to the experimental units. Okay, that is layout. Okay, see, first we will see the layout of CRD. Okay, see here. So in this layout, the whole table. Okay, so this is this layout is CRD layout. Okay, CRD layout with treatment 4. Okay, treatment 4 and replication 4. Okay, so in this you can see the table. Okay, the whole table is the experimental. Okay, whole table is the this whole table. Okay, so this whole table is called experimental material. Okay, experimental material. Okay, this whole table. Okay, in this table we are having cells like this. Okay, like this cells we are having. Okay, so the cells is called experimental unit. Okay, so the cell is this cell, each cell. Okay, this cell is called experimental unit. Okay, so in this only we will assign the treatment. Okay, so in the cell only we will assign the treatment. Okay, so that we are saying layout means the way in which the treatment, okay, treatment is assigned to the experimental units. Okay, so so here the table is the experimental material and the unit, the cell is called the unit, experimental unit. Okay, so in this only we will assign the treatment. Okay, so in CRD the treatment repeat in both rows and columns. Okay, that is at least one treatment. Okay, at least one treatment repeat in both rows and columns. See, you can see example. See here, for example, I am taking treatment 1. Okay, I am taking treatment 1. Okay, so okay, this one taking. Okay, so you can see the treatment 1. Okay, in the row, in the first row there is some treatment 1. In the first row, first cell, there is T1. Okay, so it is repeating here. In the same row it is repeating. Similarly, you can see the T1 is repeating in the same column, first column. Okay, so that is the treatment. Okay, treatment is repeating in both rows and columns. Okay, at least one treatment. But you can see the T4. Okay, so if you see the T4 is repeating in column. Okay, okay, but not in rows. T4 is repeating only in column. Similarly, you can see T2. You can see. Okay, so T2 also see here. T2. Okay, T2 is repeating in column. Okay, and also in the row. Okay, that is in CRD layout. At least one treatment will repeat in at least one treatment will repeat in both rows and columns. Okay, so then it is called CRD layout. Okay, so in CRD there is no blocking. Okay, so in CRD there is no blocking. Okay, there is no blocking involved. There is no local control. Okay, so we will randomize the treatment. We will randomize the treatment completely in the whole experimental material. Okay, and still see the RBD layout. See here, same for 4 treatment and 4 replication. Okay, I am taking RBD layout. Okay, so in this also similarly the table. Okay, the whole table is experimental material. Okay, whole table is experimental material, and similarly the cell is experimental unit. Okay, so here you can see the treatment repeat in either rows or columns. Okay, that is the treatment repeat. Okay, at least one treatment will repeat in either rows. Okay, not both. In CRD, see, in CRD it is repeating in both rows and columns, but in RBD it will repeat either in rows, okay, or in columns. See, for example, see here I am taking, for example, I am taking T1. Okay, So here you can see the T1 is repeating in column, but it is not repeating in row. See here, okay, so the T1 is not repeating in row. Similarly, if you take some other example T4 is repeating in column. Okay, T4 is repeating in column, but it is not repeating in rows. Similarly, I am taking T2. Okay, T2 is not repeating in both rows and column. I am taking T3. Okay, if you take T3 is repeating in column. Okay, but it is not repeating in rows. Okay, so that is we can say that if treatment repeats either in rows or column, okay, at least one treatment will repeat in either rows or columns. Okay, so if treatment is repeating in rows, then the column is blocked. Okay, if the treatment is repeat in rows, then the column is blocked. Okay, so here the treatment is repeating in column. See here T1. Okay, similarly here also T3. Okay, similarly here also T4. So the treatment is repeating in the column. Okay, so here the row is blocked. Okay, the row is blocked. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, that is if treatment repeat in rows, then column is blocked. If treatment repeat in column, then row is blocked. Here in this RBD, the blocking is involved. Okay, so here the block is row. Okay, so the row is the block. Okay, this row is block. Okay, row is block. So the within block homogeneous. Okay, within block is homogeneous in RBD. Next we say LST layout. Okay, LST layout. See here for same example, I am taking treatment 4 and replication 4. Okay, so in this you can see the treatment does not repeat. This is very important. Okay, treatment does not repeat in both rows and columns. Okay, see here I am saying T1. Okay, I am taking T1. Okay, T1 is not repeating in column. Okay, and also in row. Similarly, I am taking T3. T3 is not repeating in either row or in column. Okay, similarly, I am taking T1. Sorry, T2 I am taking. Okay, so T2 is not repeating in row or in column. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, that is in LSD the treatment does not repeat in both rows and column. Okay, and very important is in LSD the treatment number will be same as replication number. Okay, treatment number and replication number will be same. Okay, so here the each cell. Okay, so each cell is a block. Okay, there is local control. Okay, so this each cell is a block. Okay, this each cell is a block. Okay, so this is an example of CRD, RBD and LST layout. Okay, so based on layout, the layout we can find the type of design, whether the design is CRD or RBD or LSD. Okay, so once again I am saying this one, that is in CRD the treatment repeat in both rows and columns. Okay, in RBD the treatment repeat either in rows or in column. If treatment repeat in rows, then column is blocked. If treatment repeat in column, then row is blocked. Okay, similarly in LSD the treatment does not repeat in both rows and column. Okay, so based on this only, based on this condition, based on this criteria only, we will decide whether the layout is CRD, RBD or LSD. Okay, thank you.